So listen, Miss Lisa, you are 100% done with all of your training. Like I was just telling you, you are one of the fastest agents to get all of your training done at once. You
Whoop,
literally
whoop.
read 30-minute sessions and you're all done. So when people ask now, well, how long does it take to go through training? I always tell them it's literally self-paced. It's really, really up to you. Listen, you have to set a whole standard. Like you
Right.
seriously,
Well, to God be the glory.
listen, amen. Because listen, I've never seen an agent go this fast with doing their training. So, Miss Lisa, can you tell them about, you are Lisa Harris Travels. Can you tell them about your brand and your whole journey as a travel agent and how you got to us?
Well, basically, I was with IntelliTravel. And I had been with them and I had started it, but forgot that I even had it. But just being on YouTube and looking at some different things, and then I ran across yours, and I was like, okay, this lady really breaks down this information because with IntelliTravel, not trying to knock them or badmouth them, but there was no training.
Yes.
So it was basically like I'm on my own to figure this out. Whereas just watching some of your YouTube videos, I started taking notes. And I was like, oh my goodness, she is really breaking this down where you can understand.
Yep.
So I was like, you know what? I need to find out some more information about Mommy and We Travels. And so once I had that first initial Zoom meeting with you, and I had already talked to my husband, I was like, baby, I really need to be with Mommy and We Travels because, and excuse me when I keep saying this lady, because at the time I didn't know you. So I was like, this lady, oh my gosh, she's really teaching this stuff. I really need to be attached to her. I'm learning so much just looking at the videos. So to make a long story short, I joined with you. I have no complaints. I am just so excited and so tickled that I have learned so much watching your videos. And Lisa Harris Travels just came about because my husband and I talked about traveling because neither one of us work anymore. To God be the glory.
Amen.
Um,
I love it.
and we want to enjoy life. We're not getting any younger by traveling. So I told my husband, I said, no, 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 we're not getting ready to keep paying somebody else to do this when I have it myself. I just need to learn it.
Yeah.
And so thank God for you because you have taught me exactly what I needed to know, and I am so appreciative. I am so excited that I am done, but I had to be determined. And my husband can tell you when I'm like a bulldog, when I want to learn something and I want to grow. So I am so excited.
Miss Lisa, I'm so excited for you. Listen, you got so many group trips that you're getting ready to plan. Like,
Yes, Lord.
listen, it's about to go down. And
Yes, ma'am.
like I said, I'm so proud of you. Like, I've never seen
Thank you.
an agent so determined, so willing to go as fast. People, I laugh. Like, I always laugh in my head when people ask that, but now I laugh even bigger because you literally got all of your pre-orientation training done in 1 hour and a half. You did your part. I always tell agents, if you do your part on your end, do your homework, I can do my part. And you did exactly that. And so, Miss Lisa, I'm so proud of you. I've
Thank
seen
you.
you do everything. Like I tell all of my agents that are 100% done with training, I now trust you enough to send one of my clients to you in a case that I can make it because I'm too busy. I've seen you put your proposals, your invoices. Listen, you've had bookings already, and listen, you're a few days old over here. Like, I love it. I'm so proud of you, Ms. Lisa.
Thank you.
I'm really, really happy to call you one of my travel agents. You're doing good, and I know that you're going to continue to run in your travel business. And I can't say how proud I am of you when I tell you I'm so proud of you. Like,
thank you.
I didn't know it could be done this fast, and so you have set a whole nother new standard. Okay, so yes. I don't have anything else to say. Congratulations. Like,
thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Other stuff. Like, what was the hardest part about training, and what was the hardest part, and what are you excited about the most about with your travel business?
I thought initially that dealing with travel joy was going to be the hardest part. I really thought that until I would go back and look at some of your videos. And because I'm a person that believes in taking notes. And when I try something after I'm looking at my notes and I'm like, okay, I left that step out. Let me jot that in. But with your suggestions, as far as practicing, that's what helped. And I was like, okay, this is easier than I thought. And the SMART proposal, oh my goodness, game changer. I was hooked. I'm not using the other one. No, ma'am. I want the smart proposal. So for me, that was the hardest thing, or at least I thought it was going to be the hardest, but it actually wasn't. The more I did it, the more I was like, okay, I really like this. So for me, that was it, was a smart proposal. And you asked a second question. That was the hardest. What was your other question? I'm sorry.
What are you looking forward to the most as with your travel business?
I'm really looking forward to not just booking trips, but I want to be able to create that, what would I call it? That, I don't want to say flyer, but that advertisement that draws people like, oh wow, I'm gonna have to check this out. So I don't want to just put some words together in a picture, but I'm excited about creating, which is something you've also been teaching us. So I'm excited about that, because my husband will tell you I'm one of those that'll go over the top trying to make something look really, really nice. So I'm excited about that, and I am excited for this new journey. Oh, and one other thing I'm excited about, I saw you teach us on doing the blogs.
Yes.
So once my website is up and running, I'm going to be doing those blogs.
I got you. Listen, remember, all you got to do is set up an appointment with me. Listen,
okay.
You're done. You set up an appointment. I'm here to help you with whatever it is that you need help with. You know, and,
yes,
and I think that's a big thing that sets us apart. You know, the training aspect. Not only do I give y'all a whole checklist to go by, but even after that, you're not done. You know, just because you're done. Like, no, if you need help, I don't care what time of day it is. If it's in the morning, at night, I'm available via text, phone. You already know this. Listen, I'm available. So just call me, text me, and with your blog, you probably gonna need to set up an appointment. So set up your Zoom appointment, and I'll be through that. But it's easy. Listen, I'm just in awe, and I'm so amazed at how fast you got this done. And so I'm just proud, and I'm really proud to call you one of my travel agents. And I cannot wait to see you on our seminar at sea that we got coming up. So
yes,
listen,
my husband is excited.
Listen, I'm so excited. So I don't have anything else besides congratulations. I'm proud of you. Like, I've never had an agent do this, and you did that. Like,
thank you. Well, Tara, only thing I can say, honey, is to God be the glory, because it's nothing but the Lord. That's all that is God.
Listen, I believe that too. Yes, ma'am. So you got my number. If you need me, call me, text me. And yes, September will be rolling around in no time. I'll see you live and in person soon. Okay.
Yes.
All right. You got anything else for me, Miss Lisa?
No. Oh, I do have a question. Now, will you set up an appointment with me, or do you just email me about getting the website started?
So go ahead and set up. I said set up at least 3 more 1-hour appointments, and then your website. You have your inspiration already ready as far as what you kind of want your website to look like, whatever pictures you want on your website. Just start creating a file. Put your logo over in that file. Put your pictures over there in that file, and then so your website creation is going to be just like this. We're going to sit on Zoom. We're going to create your website. We're going to totally customize it. Okay.
Okay. All right. You said 3 1-hour sessions. Okay. Got it.
1-hour sessions, and we should be done within that. Okay.
All right. Love you. And thank you so much.
Lisa. I will talk to you soon. Bye.
Okay, sweetie. Bye-bye.